Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Get ready for a wild ride because today we're diving headfirst into a story that's got the entire industry buzzing. Google's going all in on AI for small businesses, and they're using the biggest stage in the world, the Super Bowl, to shout it from the rooftops. But is this a game changer for Main Street, or a recipe for unintended consequences? We're talking job losses, ethical dilemmas, and a whole lot more. Stick around, because you absolutely don't want to miss this. Seriously, this could impact your business, your job, even your future. Are we ready for this level of AI infiltration into our everyday lives? Let's find out. Okay, so here's the deal. Google's dropping a ton of cash on a Super Bowl ad to showcase how their AI tools, specifically Workspace and Gemini, can revolutionize small businesses. They're painting a picture of AI-powered marketing, streamlined operations, and even new product development. Think of it. AI writing your ad copy, managing your inventory, even predicting what your customers want before they do. Sounds amazing, right? But before we get too excited, let's pump the brakes and look at the bigger picture. This isn't just about selling software. It's about fundamentally changing how small businesses operate. And that comes with some serious questions. Let's break down the immediate impact. Google's hoping this ad blitz will drive massive adoption of their AI tools. Small businesses, seeing the potential, might start shifting their budgets towards AI-powered solutions. This could give those businesses a real competitive edge, boosting efficiency, profits, and potentially even creating new jobs. Imagine a local bakery using AI to optimize their baking schedule, reducing waste and increasing profits. Or a landscaping company using AI to plan the most efficient routes for their crews. But here's the rub. Not all small businesses are created equal. Some will have the resources and expertise to embrace AI, while others will struggle to keep up. This could widen the gap between the haves and have-nots in the small business world. Are we creating a two-tiered system where only the digitally savvy survive? The ripple effect doesn't stop there. We're talking a potential gold rush for AI training and consulting services aimed at small businesses. Advertising agencies will need to revamp their strategies to incorporate AI, and software developers will be scrambling to create AI tools tailored to the unique needs and budgets of smaller companies. And of course, that Super Bowl ad slot itself is going to become even more valuable. Other companies will see the potential of targeting small business owners and the burgeoning AI sector. Think about it. Every company from Salesforce to Microsoft will be eyeing this space. This is a land grab, folks, and the stakes are incredibly high. Who will emerge as the dominant player in this AI-powered small business revolution? Now, let's get to the big stuff, the socio-economic impact. On the one hand, we could see a surge in economic growth driven by more productive and innovative small businesses. AI could help them expand their operations, create jobs, and offer better goods and services to their communities. But on the other hand, there's the undeniable risk of job displacement. AI can automate tasks that are currently performed by humans, potentially leading to layoffs and the need for workforce retraining. We need to be honest about this. Some jobs will disappear. The question is, are we prepared to support those workers and help them transition to new roles? This isn't just about technology, it's about people's livelihoods. Hold on, there's another piece to this puzzle. While Google's touting the benefits of AI, there's been some serious turbulence in their search rankings. Just a few days ago, on February 4th and 5th, the SEO world went into a frenzy because of major ranking fluctuations. This means that businesses relying on search engine traffic are experiencing instability in website traffic and conversions. It's like building your house on sand. One minute you're on top, the next you're sinking. Is this an unconfirmed update, a false alarm, or something more sinister? The SEO industry is holding its breath, waiting to see what happens next. But one thing's for sure. If your business depends on Google search, you need to be paying attention. This search ranking volatility has a direct impact on the SEO industry. SEO professionals are scrambling to analyze the ranking fluctuations and adjust their strategies. There's increased demand for SEO tools and services to monitor ranking changes and identify potential issues. Content creators and website owners are reassessing their SEO practices and content strategies. Imagine spending months optimizing your website, only to see your rankings plummet overnight. It's a constant battle to stay ahead of Google's algorithm, and these sudden changes can be devastating for businesses that rely on organic search. Are these algorithm updates fair to small businesses, or are they designed to favor larger companies with more SEO resources? The search ranking volatility also highlights the importance of ethical and sustainable SEO practices. Businesses that try to game the system with black hat techniques risk being penalized or even de-indexed. It's crucial to focus on creating high-quality content, providing a positive user experience, and building a strong online reputation. Short-term gains from unethical tactics are never worth the long-term consequences. Think about it. Would you trust a website that's clearly trying to manipulate search results? Probably not. Building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success, and that starts with ethical SEO practices. Are you playing the long game, or are you just chasing quick wins? Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the potential risks of relying too heavily on AI. From a technical perspective, there's the danger of over-reliance. If small businesses become overly dependent on Google's AI tools, they could face serious problems if those tools experience outages, bugs, or become too expensive. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. There's also the issue of AI accuracy and bias. Generative AI is prone to errors and biases, which could lead to the spread of misinformation or offensive content. Imagine an AI-powered marketing campaign inadvertently promoting harmful stereotypes. It's crucial to have human oversight and to carefully review AI-generated content before it goes live. Are you willing to trust an AI to represent your brand without human intervention? Then there's the crucial issue of data security and privacy. Using AI tools often involves sharing data with the provider, in this case Google. Small businesses need to ensure that their data is securely handled and that they are compliant with privacy regulations like GDPR or CCPA. A data breach could be catastrophic, damaging their reputation and exposing them to legal liabilities. And don't forget about vendor lock-in. Heavy reliance on Google's ecosystem could make it difficult or costly to switch to alternative solutions in the future. It's important to maintain flexibility and to avoid becoming too dependent on a single provider. Do you really understand how your data is being used by these AI tools? You need to ask the tough questions. From a business perspective, there's the risk of creating a competitive disadvantage. If Google's AI tools are not equally accessible or effective for all small businesses, it could widen the gap between the haves and have-nots. There's also the potential for job displacement, as AI automates tasks currently performed by employees. And let's not forget the reputational risk. If the featured small businesses in Google's Super Bowl ad experience negative outcomes, it could damage Google's reputation and the perception of AI in general. Transparency is key. Small businesses need to understand how Google's AI algorithms work in order to assess their impact on their operations and marketing efforts. Are you prepared to embrace AI, even if it means making difficult decisions about your workforce? Finally, let's talk about the ethical risks. Overhyping the capabilities of AI could lead to misleading marketing practices where small businesses make exaggerated claims about their products or services. AI algorithms can also perpetuate and amplify existing biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes in areas like marketing, hiring, or customer service. And over-reliance on AI without sufficient human oversight could lead to unethical decisions or actions. We need to be vigilant about ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Are we sacrificing our values in the pursuit of efficiency and automation? That's a question we all need to ask ourselves. So, what's the bottom line? Google's Super Bowl ad is a bold move that could have a profound impact on small businesses. But it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks and to proceed with caution. Google has a responsibility to ensure that its AI tools are accessible, ethical, and beneficial to all small businesses, not just a select few. And small businesses need to educate themselves about AI and to develop strategies for mitigating the potential risks. This isn't just about embracing the latest technology. It's about building a sustainable and equitable future for the small business community. Are we ready to have that conversation? Are we ready to hold Google accountable? Ultimately, the future of small businesses in the age of AI is uncertain. But one thing is clear. Businesses that adapt and embrace change will be best positioned to succeed. This means investing in AI training, developing ethical AI practices, and staying informed about the latest developments in the field. It also means prioritizing human connection and building strong relationships with customers. AI can automate tasks, but it can't replace the human touch. So, what do you think? Is Google's Super Bowl ad a sign of a brighter future for small businesses or a harbinger of unintended consequences? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching.